Haskell, tell me what's going on. Don't be all worked up. It's no use me. Calm down. What did you see? What do you know this guy?
I don't even know. That's so. And then when I peeped there at the wall, I just saw a guy wearing a black jacket and a black hat.
Okay.
With fur. And then after I see him run, and then I found him after. I just ran around. There was a guy coming, and I said, took a left. Nobody. But then I was going, I just said, hot body.
Okay. Then these people are talking about Honda.
Correct.
They twins.
I don't know, but I just saw a black jacket and Jesus. Not today, but did.
Jy kan so op daai kant.
Maybe it's that Honda. Because as soon as we just said, bah! I thought electricity, bah!
Hy is dood hoor. Ja.
Hey.